Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs on a Honda Accord V6. First, gather your tools, including a 5/8" spark plug socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning this task to avoid burns and potential damage to the cylinder head threads. For an added layer of safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. This simple step prevents accidental electrical shorts during the process. Now, let's access the front bank of spark plugs. You'll find 3 ignition coils easily visible on the front of the engine. Gently disconnect the electrical connector from each coil by pressing the tab and pulling. Next, use a 10mm socket to remove the single bolt holding each ignition coil down. Once the bolts are out, carefully pull each ignition coil straight up and out to reveal the spark plugs beneath. With the coils removed, it's time to extract the old spark plugs. Insert your 5/8" spark plug socket with an extension into the cylinder and carefully unscrew each plug. Inspect the old plugs for signs of wear or fouling. Before installing the new plugs, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads. Hand tighten them first, then use a torque wrench to tighten each plug to 18 foot-pounds for optimal performance and sealing. For the V6 engine, accessing the 3 rear spark plugs requires a bit more effort. You'll need to remove the intake manifold. This involves disconnecting several hoses and electrical connectors, then unbolting the manifold itself. Carefully lift and set the manifold aside. Once exposed, repeat the same process as the front bank. Remove the old plugs, apply anti-seize to the new ones, and torque them to 18 foot-pounds. Reassemble everything in reverse order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.